And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this power strip with USB charger. It has 2.4 amps of output per USB port, intelligent matching, and an integrated copper strip. Front, power up your life. The same up top, nothing on the side, nothing on this side. In the back, just tells you the model. This is the APS-6A4U-US, and it has 6 outlets, 4 USB ports. Its USB total output is 15.5 watts, and of course USB output for single port is 12 watts max. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. So we have some screws for wall mounting. Love that. A little instruction guide if you need that. And then the best part, a wall mounting template for your screws. That's the best part of these products. I mean, this company does this. That's it for the box. So inside of this is our actual power strip. We have a nice little cable. As you see, the cable has that like flat look to it, so you could plug it in like behind a couch and you don't got to worry about it getting broke or anything due to that curve. And then here is your outlets. So there's where you'd wall mount it on the bottom, and then the front has your 3 main plugs that would need a ground. Here you could put in 3 other items, so like another cell phone charger or something like that. And then here is your 4 USB ports. 6 plugs, 3 and 3, and 4 USB ports. Absolutely ingenious. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this power strip with USB charger to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. This is perfect for a table, perfect for somewhere where you need to plug in multiple small devices into one outlet or charge multiple devices at once. Thanks again to them for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.